What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This video will be doing invisible locks. I've actually done this style before, but I did not record, so this is like my first time showing you how I did it. I was able to work my way around it to get it. The first time I did it, it was just a disaster, but then I was able to get it later. So what I did, I split one of the twists into two, like underneath it. So this is where I'm going to be putting my added hair. Instead of me using rubber bands, because we don't want that down to be bulky, so I'm really just going to braid just midway, just little. I won't braid it all the way down, just so it could hold the just applying gel. I'm going to twist the hair with the Brazilian wool. Yes, I'm using the Brazilian wool. I know there are a lot of tutorials where they use kinky hair, but I just wanted to try the Brazilian wool, since there's like, it's as if everybody on YouTube now are just using Brazilian wool, so I decided to just try it out myself to see how the style is going to look. Because the last time I did it, I used the kinky hair. So I'm just doing the same thing to the other part, and I'm also going to twist it to the same way I twisted the first one is the way I'm going to twist this one as well. It's very easy, very self-explanatory, but I just thought to talk. I think it's really more fun when you're watching a video and there's a voiceover. Although my voice can be a bit annoying, but you just have to manage it like that. So anyways, it's still the same process. I'm just going to do the same thing over and over and over again till we're done with this hairstyle. Now I'm done with putting the Brazilian wool. I don't know, yeah, you can use a crochet, but instead of me using a crochet, I decided to just use this one. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. I'm just going to twist it this way to this direction, and now I'm going to take both hair and then twist. We're going to do a 2-strand twist. I'm just adding edge control, just to hide the natural hair so it won't come out that much, even though it eventually ended up coming out, but it wasn't that much. Now I'm just going to twist all the way down. Since Brazilian wool won't stay, so I'm going to take another piece and wrap, yeah, like this, the way I'm wrapping, and then tie a knot to secure the big knot. This is it. Very simple and easy to do. If I can do it, I'm sure you all can do it, because I'm very bad in recreating styles, but this one is very easy to achieve. So I'm just basically doing the same thing over and over and over again. Still the same process. That I did not do anything different, just the same thing till we're done with this style. So guys, if you've watched this video till this moment and you've not subscribed, come on, what are you doing? Please help me subscribe to this channel. Help me share this video as well. Okay, share it to your friends, your siblings, in fact your enemies. You can share it to them all. And most importantly, subscribe. Like, subscribe please. So it's still the same thing, just doing the braid underneath it, so it will be easy for me to just twist and get stuff. One thing I noticed about the style is that you need to invest in a good braiding gel. It's going to take the twist from a 10 to like 1000 immediately if you use a good edge control. So I'll just still the same process, the big knot, and then I'll wrap it to secure it tightly. I'm just trimming off all the excess hair that was just poking out, just to give it a neat finish. This is the last one. I'm just trying to show you guys there one more time before I round it up. So this is a more closer view, so you can get what I'm saying. If you don't get it like the first two, I'm sure this one is like very close enough for you to get it. So I'm just wrapping, like I'm taking my time for this part so as to show you how I wrap. Yeah, so I'm trying to wrap so the hair can stay inside the Brazilian wool so it doesn't poke out. I'm going to take each twist now and then twist them both together. I'm just making sure the hair is well tucked in. I like the fact that natural is actually complementing the Brazilian wool, that they are of the same color, which is really perfect. This is the finished part. I will wrap it and then I'll tie a knot. And this is the final result. She really loved it. She loved the hairstyle and I also loved it. I wasn't thinking it would come out this nice, especially with me using the Brazilian wool, but then it did. So this is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.